The Corsa Performance cold air intake with a Drytech dry filter built with carbon fiber is an excellent option for 2017 to 2023 6.2 liter Hemi Charger owners looking to improve airflow, throttle response, and overall performance. Designed for both street and track applications, this intake system delivers enhanced horsepower and torque gains while featuring a premium carbon fiber construction for a sleek under-hood appearance. If you're looking for a high-quality intake system that combines performance, durability, and a race-inspired aesthetic, this is going to be an excellent option. Now, at the heart of this intake system is Corsa's Drytech 3D Dry Filter, which is engineered to provide maximum airflow while efficiently trapping dirt and debris. Unlike traditional oiled filters, the Drytech filter requires no oiling for maintenance, making it a hassle-free option for long-term use. The intake itself is constructed from lightweight, high-strength carbon fiber, reducing weight while enhancing thermal resistance to minimize that heat soak. This means your engine benefits from cooler, denser air, improving combustion efficiency and overall power output. Corsa designed this intake to be dyno tested and proven for performance gains, optimizing the system to work seamlessly with your vehicle's factory tune. The improved airflow results in better throttle response, a more aggressive engine sound, and a slight bump in horsepower and torque. For added durability, the intake system includes high-quality silicone couplers and stainless steel clamps, ensuring a secure, leak-free connection. The system is also engineered for an easy bolt-on installation, requiring only some basic tools and a straightforward setup. Built from real carbon fiber, this intake is super lightweight yet incredibly strong, designed to resist heat soak while maintaining durability in high-performance driving conditions. The Drytech filter is washable and reusable, lasting for thousands of miles without requiring a replacement. The intake tube is designed to be smooth and unrestricted, reducing turbulence and improving airflow efficiency. With this coated heat shield made out of aluminum, it's going to further reduce heat soak and make it resistant to rust and corrosion. Now, as far as pricing goes on this setup, it's coming in that mid $800 price range. This is a premium product commanding a premium price, but it's to be expected with a high performance upgrade made out of quality carbon fiber. Installation is going to be a bolt-on process, making this a quick and simple upgrade. All the necessary hardware and instructions are included, and the process can typically be completed in 1 hour. We are going to rate this a soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on a difficulty meter, and it's something you could do yourself right at home. The tools you're going to need to get this job done are just going to be a screwdriver set and a socket set, and an extension for that socket set could also be useful. Now, let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our American Muscle customers.
We need to install the new cold air intakes for the 2023 Dodge Charger Hellcat. So as you see, we're going to remove this bulb right here that is covered by that plastic piece. You need a 10 millimeter socket set to remove it. 2 screws on the side that will disconnect that air line that goes in there. There's one in the back and one in the front. This is how you disconnect that piece from the bulb right there. Now we proceed to remove the 2 bolts on top of the reservoir. There's 2 10 millimeters on top to loose the tank out a little bit. When you pull the intake, you need to move the reservoir up a little bit to be able to pull the intake out of the place. You can use a flathead screwdriver to remove that clamp. This is how you remove that clamp with the rubber boot from the throttle body. This is the stock boot. Now we're going to proceed to remove the 8mm screw that goes into the intake, whole air intake there. So to be able to remove the El Fuerte box, there's 4 tabs underneath the filter box that you need to push in and pull out on the filter box. So that's why we removed the 2 screws on the tank tube, to be able to push it out, and you can have more room to pull the box out. So in this case, as you see, the box is loose and it's coming out, so you need a little bit of room. Pull that out, and then that's how it comes loose. Now everything is out of the spot there where the filter is going to go now. So here is how we're going to install this rubber gasket to go around this circle here of the filter box for the Corsa cold air intake. Just open, split it in half and push it in. And then now we're gonna go ahead and install this part into, there's also another rubber gasket to go over the top. This one, just push it down. It has the rubber seal that goes in here. And this tab, it goes attached into the old spot where you remove the screw from the filter box. Then you remove the screw here for the fender to attach the new box for the filter. Install the filter box, the new Corsa filter box. You attach it to the screw that goes into the fender. There's a tab on the sides. There's 2 screws. The long one that goes on this long tab. There's another one that go attached to the fender size of the filter tab. So you install the clamp and the filter housing there, and then you'll tie the clamp, snug it in there. It's a little tight. You have to work it out until it goes all the way in. And then you'll slide a clamp over. So this is how you install the clamp. That's the new filter, carbon fiber Forza Performance. We're gonna go ahead and tie the clamps a little bit and keep it in place.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Corsa Performance cold air intake with DryTech dry filter and built out of carbon fiber for the 2017 to 2023 6.2 liter Hemi Chargers. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.